Kung gusto, yo, what up? Kung gusto nyo share ko yung video nyo, comment lang kayo dahil sa may comment section at hahanapin ko yung bahay nyo at isi-share ko yung latest video nyo. Okay? At syempre, wag nyo rin kalimutan na i-share tong video na to at magyakapan tayong lahat. Okay? Now I won't try to start when I needed, 'cause in my heart no love will lead you back. Someday I can hold you. Love will lead you back in my arms of the one we love. One of these days where love will lead you. Hi bro, how are you?
You?
I'm good. Pakistan?
Yes.
Where Pakistan?
Shower.
Peshawar.
Manan.
Peshawar.
In Philippines?
Yes.
Hours.
Yeah. Peshawar, but I have a friend, best friend, but he go away. He come back. He going to Pakistan from the Karachi.
Karachi.
Bye, bro.
Bye.
Love will lead you back in my arms of the one we love. One of these days where love will lead you back. So as usual, nautusan tayo magbangko up to the last 5 minutes. Alas 5 na, bali alas 6 yung out ko, bali nautusan tayo ng 4:58 ng hapon. Mag-aalas 5 na. Pasok pa rin naman kasi 1 hour yung oras ko sa pagbabangko. So pagbalik ko, mag-ano na lang ako. Ano tawag dyan? Lalag out na lang. Tapos pag lag out, uwi na. Check lang yung mga basura, uwi na. Ang mga tansya ko naman balikan simula dito hanggang dun sa opisina. Nasa 45 minutes. Meron pa tayong 15 minutes na pwede tayo mag picture. Siyempre video. So hanggang dito na lang tong video na to. Ride safe, ride out. Peace. Boom.